Welcome to our music note value tutorial. Today we are going to give you a brief history on music note values, tell you what some of them are and how to use them. Here is a brief history of music notation. The earliest form of music notation can be found in cuneiform tablet that was created at Nippur in Zomel, today's Iraq. In about 2000 BC, the tablet represents fragmentary instruments for performing music, that the music was composed in harmonies of third and that it was written using diatonic scale. Here are some of the music note values. In the following example, we have given the whole note a value of 4 counts. The whole note, or semi-brief, is the longest music note in general used today. It is an open note with no stem. It looks like a whole, so it is easy to remember. The duration of the whole note is 4 counts. The half note, or minium, has a length of 2 counts, and it is half the value of a whole note. The half note is represented by a whole note with a stem. The quarter note, or crotchet, has a length of 1 cut, and it is a quarter of the whole note and a half of the half note. The quarter note is represented by a filled-in hole with no stem. The eighth note, or quaver, has a length of half a count and is an eighth of a whole note, a quarter of a half note, and a half of a quarter note. The eighth note is represented by a filled-in whole note with a stem and a tail, or a flag. Here's how to use music note values. In order to use music note values, we need to display them in a standard form. This is done by using the stave or staff, which is made up of 5 lines. The stave or staff is then divided into bars, or measures. These are used to indicate the number of beats required, as well as breaking the song into manageable sections. On the staff, it will be indicated how many counts there should be in each bar. In this example, we have used a 4/4 count, which means that all the notes in the bar must add up to 4 counts. Let's take a look at all the notes we have done so far and look at their counts. The whole note, played once and held for a length of the bar, should look like this. The half note is played twice and held for 2 counts each time. It should look like this. The quarter note is played 4 times for 1 count each time. It should look like this. The eighth note is played 8 times for half a count each time. It should look like this.